In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Draw.io background white if you want your diagram to look cleaner, more professional, or simply easier to export and share. Changing the background color is a quick setting that can make a big difference. The good news is that this only takes a moment once you know where to look inside the editor. Start by opening your diagram in Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Once you're inside the editor, go to your canvas and click on any empty area. This is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the diagram itself and not a shape, text box, connector, or any other object. If an element is selected, the options on the right side may show settings for that specific object instead of the overall diagram. After clicking a blank area of the canvas, move your attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is the Format panel where you can adjust different properties of your diagram. At the top of that panel, make sure you are on the Diagram tab. If you're on a different tab, just switch over to Diagram so you can access the canvas level settings. Once you're in the Diagram tab, look for the background color option. You should see a checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check that box to enable the background color setting. Right beside it, you'll see a small color swatch. Click on that swatch and a color picker will open. When the color picker appears, choose white from the preset color tiles. As soon as you select it, your canvas background should update to white. This is useful if your current background is transparent, gray, or another color that doesn't fit the look you want. If you're preparing a diagram for presentation, printing, or exporting as an image, a white background is often the safest and most universally readable option. It also helps diagrams blend nicely into documents, slides, and reports. And that's it. Once white is selected, your Draw.io background is set. If needed, just click back onto the canvas to confirm the change visually and continue editing your diagram as normal. This is a very simple adjustment, but it can instantly improve the overall appearance of your workspace and your final output.